Hello and welcome. This is Jodie again with tip 2 on how to slice an image. You're going to head over to your panel on the left hand side and you're going to click on your shapes panel, and from there you are going to select a square, and then you're going to select a heart and you're going to place that on top. Now, to slice an image you must highlight both shapes so that you allow the slice button to appear in the bottom right hand corner, as you can see here by the arrows. Once you've done that, then you will click that, and then once that happens you will get the layers on the right hand side, as you can see here, and then you can separate them into each individual image. So that is my tip on how to slice an image. Be sure to like and save this post and connect with me on socials for more tips and tutorials on conquering design space. Once again, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting.